How to choose a color in modern interior design. Choosing a color in modern interior design is a common challenge many people face. Deciding what color to use and where to use it often leads to mistakes. But don't worry, I will provide you with principles, tips, and practical examples to help you get it right. Typically, the color in modern design is neutral, such as white, gray, or beige. These colors provide a clean and simple backdrop that allows other elements in the room to stand out. However, color in modern interior design is not limited to neutrals. Accent colors are often used to add interest and personality to a room. For example, a bright yellow chair or a bold red vase can be used to create a focal point in a living room. These pops of color draw the eye and add warmth and energy to your space. In modern interior design, the walls are often the starting point. Typically, walls in modern design are kept neutral, using colors like white, gray, or beige. These colors provide a clean, simple backdrop that allows other elements in the room to stand out. However, you don't have to stick to just neutral colors. A single accent wall in a bold color can add interest and personality to your space. For example, a deep blue or rich green can serve as a focal point without overwhelming the room. Flooring color and materials are also crucial in modern design. Hardwood floors in shades of natural oak, walnut, or dark ebony are popular choices. These materials add warmth and elegance to your home. Alternatively, you can use polished concrete for a sleek, industrial look, or large format tiles in neutral tones for a clean and contemporary feel. The flooring should complement the wall colors and create a cohesive look throughout the space. Furniture in modern interior design often features clean lines and minimalistic forms. The colors of the furniture usually complement the neutral walls, often sticking to shades like black, white, gray, or natural wood tones. But just like with walls, don't be afraid to add pops of color. Sofas, chairs, and tables in neutral colors like black, white, or gray can be easily complemented with colorful throw pillows, cushions, or blankets. This approach allows you to change the look of a room easily by swapping out accessories. Lighting is another crucial aspect of modern interior design. Artificial lighting should be used strategically. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create different moods and highlight different areas of your room. Warm white bulbs can make a space feel cozy and inviting, while cool white bulbs can give it a more modern, crisp feel. The lighting should enhance the color scheme and overall design of the room. Decor items such as art, throw pillows, and vases are perfect for bringing in additional colors without making a permanent change. These items can easily be swapped out as your tastes change or as trends evolve. For example, if you have a mostly neutral living room, you can add bright yellow or orange throw pillows to create a lively atmosphere. Or you can use artwork with bold colors to make a statement on a neutral wall. These small touches can have a big impact and are a great way to experiment with color. Window coverings are often overlooked, but they play a significant role in the overall design of a room. Curtains, blinds, or shades can be used to add color and texture to your space. For example, if your room has a lot of neutral tones, you might choose colorful curtains to add a bit of vibrancy. Alternatively, if you want to keep things more subtle, you can choose window coverings in a complementary neutral shade. The material of your window coverings can also affect the room's look and feel. Lightweight fabrics can make a room feel airy and open, while heavier fabrics can add a sense of coziness and warmth. Common mistakes in color selection can easily be avoided with a few tips. One common mistake is using too many colors in one room, which can make the space feel chaotic and overwhelming. It is best to stick to a limited color palette of 2 or 3 main colors and use variations of those colors throughout the room. This creates a cohesive and harmonious look. Color is a powerful tool in interior design. It can make your space feel larger or smaller depending on how it is used. For example, using a dark accent wall can create a sense of depth and make a room feel more intimate. Conversely, light colors on walls can make a space appear larger and more open. By strategically using color, you can manipulate the perception of a room's size and shape to suit your needs and preferences. If you like this guide, please comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. There will be a link in the description below where you can find the products mentioned.